Thanks for joining us from the Ohio AgNet Voice You Know with the News You Trust studio, sponsored by Grain Equipment Company, where innovation meets execution. I'm Dale Menyo. On Friday, we did get an updated analysis of the 45Z biofuel tax credit. The guidance addresses key aspects of biofuel production and outlines the eligibility criteria for claiming the credit, benefiting soybean farmers and corn farmers, further strengthening the market demand for biofuels. The part that has everyone still concerned is the guidance does not address potential sustainability practice requirements for crops. Most notably, the new guidance prohibits imported used cooking oil from being eligible for the credit, addressing a major concern brought forward by OSA, ASA, and NOPA. However, the guidance does not address, again, potential sustainability practice requirements for crops. We're deeply appreciative of the Treasury's efforts to establish a clearer framework for the 45Z biofuel credit and further protect U.S.-grown feedstocks, said Rusty Goebel, president of the Ohio Soybean Association and Williams County farmer. We ask that swift clarity is provided regarding any potential on-farm practices required for farmers as it relates to biofuels to qualify for the credit. And while we're on the topic of sustainable aviation fuel, a local effort in Minnesota is the Sustainable Aviation Fuel Hub, and it's more eco-friendly for air travel. It has earned the backing of another industry giant. At the annual Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas last week, Delta Airlines announced that French airplane maker Airbus plans to join and invest in Minnesota's Sustainable Aviation Hub. The European company joins a growing list of big corporate backers, including Bank of America, Ecolab, and Cargill. Airbus's precise level of participation and investment isn't yet clear, but the company's name certainly adds weight to the endeavor. Airbus is the largest airplane maker in the world. The company is joining a demand consortium with a multi-year commitment to purchase SAF, according to a statement issued by Delta. Today's weather brought to you by Seed Consultants. Simply better performance online at seedconsultants.com. Here's the forecast.
We've got a mix of clouds and sunshine through the balance of this afternoon. And let's take a look at that Ohio Ag weather update. Not much happening here today. Partly sunny skies and very, very cold for the balance of this afternoon. I think we deal with a little bit of flurry action through tomorrow. Now, it's not enough to cause any travel problems, but there'll be a little bit of snowflake activity in the air, especially if you're heading to the west and heading to the Fort Wayne Farm Show. Moving into the later part of the week, it's just bitterly cold here. As a matter of fact, that's the story today through Thursday, well below normal temperatures. We see some quick moderation in temperatures on Friday. We're warm, very warm there, and then cold air comes back Saturday, Sunday, and we have to deal with some rain and wet snow. I'm Ryan Martin.
And thanks, Ryan. One of the other reports that came out on Friday was winter wheat planted for Ohio. Winter wheat seeded area for 2025 is estimated at 660,000 acres. That's an increase of 27% from last year. As of November 24th, 70% of the wheat crop was reported in good to excellent condition here in Ohio. Time now for the Midday Market Analysis provided by Leist Mercantile and sponsored by Brandt, helping growers take control for over 70 years.
This is Ryan Metzger with Leist Mercantile providing your technical outlook for today. We got March 25 corn futures with the first level of support seen at $4.60 with the first level of resistance seen at $4.77. March 25 soybean futures has the first level support seen at 10.03 with the first level of resistance seen at 10.40. March 25 wheat futures has the first level support seen at 5.24 with the first level of resistance seen at 5.39. For bullish momentum, we need to see closes above these key resistance levels. Please visit our website, leistmercantile.com, to learn more about our grain marketing program and crop insurance services.
And thanks, Ryan. Today's market's brought to you by Seed Consultants. Simply better performance online at seedconsultants.com. On Friday, after all the USDA reports came out, the December corn was up 3 1/4. The November beans were up 17 1/4. March, by the way, was up 26 1/4. July wheat was down 0.5 cent. As we peek into the midday markets now, all higher on grain. March corn 473 and 1/4, up 2 3/4. May up 3 1/4 at 482 3/4. December new crop up 2 cents at 452 1/4 cent. The March beans are up 9, make it 10 now at 1035 1/4 cent. May's up 10 1/2 at 1048 1/2. November new crop up 4 cents at $10.35. The July wheat is 561 1/2, up 7. September 574 3/4, up 6 1/4. Two-sided trade in livestock with February cattle down 62 at 198.15. April 198.87, down 60 cents. February lean hogs $82.87, up 32. April's up a dime, trading at $88.77. March feeder cattle now unchanged at $269.40. April feeder cattle down 27 cents at $269.90. Don't forget, you can always get more news, weather, and markets on our website at ohioagnet.com. And while you're there, over near the weather, you'll see an update for our midday text of the Midday Farm Show. Thanks for joining us. This is the Ohio AgNet.